Hello everyone, welcome back to my 1086 series. This is the unintended part 3 video of the clutch booster deal. I'm just going to go over a few quick things. The first time I went to start the tractor and move it, after I reinstalled the clutch booster, I forgot to tighten this little line back here. And that is the line that pressure comes into this block here, and then it goes into the clutch booster, up to the steering motor, and over to the brakes. So when I started the tractor, that had pressure, and it covered everything in hydraulic oil. So that wasn't much fun. So then I got that line tightened up, and I pushed the clutch down the first time, and the pedal went all the way to the floor and stayed there, and I couldn't pry it back up. There was nothing I could do to get it back up when the tractor was running. So I played around with it a little bit and basically decided that the booster was going to have to come back apart. So I pulled the booster back off, took it back apart. I did find a cut O-ring inside of it, and then it looked like one of the snap rings had popped out of their groove. So we got that all squared away, got it put back together, and now it seems that everything is working the way it should be. Just kind of a little hiccup, but life goes on. So I just wanted to run through the procedure quick when you put the clutch booster back on. One of the first things I want to show you is the shimming up here. This is something that a lot of people may not know about, or maybe they do, but there's just these paddles here that go on that pin, and that was great, grand, and wonderful when it was new, or maybe not so much, but basically what would happen then is as these pieces of flat steel wore, they'd pinch in, and eventually sometimes they could pop over the edge, and then your clutch would essentially become stuck in gear. So not a great thing. So just shimming that up, keep everything tight there so those can't wander back and forth, is a good thing to do. So we made sure we got that taken care of when we went to put this back together. So then when you're adjusting your linkages, the first step is basically make sure your clutch is sprung all the way back against the rest, and then this one just fits on just loosely. So that pin should basically be able to move here like that when everything is in the resting position. So then adjust that one, get that one set, and then the second one, this changes a little bit depending on whether or not you have the update kit, but either way, the bottom of this bell crank should be at a 90-degree angle to the case here. So right here should make a 90-degree angle. When that makes a 90-degree angle, then you adjust this clevis here so that that pin also slides in here without fighting at all. And so that's basically the first part of the clutch adjustment after you have that booster off. Then after that, you go into the clutch spool and the TA spool, and then the dump valve and all that kind of stuff. I have not done that yet because the next project that I have is taking that MCV apart and resealing it, new gaskets and stuff. So that is going to be the next part, but I just wanted to do a run through with you guys quick on what to watch out for on that booster, and then explain why I had to do it more than once. So maybe it'll help you only have to do it one time. But thanks for watching, guys. Please leave a like, subscribe, and check back for more.